Welcome to 3D Printing for Women. Explore, learn, innovate. In this video, we'll go over the most common 3D printing errors and how to fix them. Shrinkage. It happens when your print cools too quickly or uses wet, low-quality plastic. You'll notice your prints coming out smaller or misshapen. To fix it, dry your filament, increase layer height, and boost your printing speed. Keep your printing temperature consistent and use additives designed to reduce shrinkage. 2. Warping, prints peeling up at the edges. That's warping, caused by uneven cooling and tension between layers. Fix. Maintain a stable temperature, keep infill under 20%, and add a brim or raft for better bed grip. Avoid too many perimeters. 3. Layer shifting. Layer shifting looks like your print decided to take a jog mid-print. Layers misaligned and off. Fix. Check for loose belts, damaged pulleys, or debris in the motion system. Also, inspect your model for large overhangs that could cause movement. A smooth mechanical system means a stable print. 4. Delamination. If your print splits between layers, you've got delamination. It's like your 3D print decided to flake apart. Fix. Raise your extruder temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Cover your printer to avoid drafts, and keep the surrounding air steady. Better layer adhesion means stronger, longer-lasting parts. 5. Curling. Curling usually hits the top corners of your print, caused by overheating or poor cooling. Fix. Reduce print speed, increase part cooling, and drop extruder temperature by 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. Balance is key. Too cool and you'll get weak layers. Too hot and it curls. 6. Gaps. Seeing tiny holes or empty spots in your prints. That's due to poor adhesion between strands or layers. Fix. Slow your printing speed, raise the temperature of both your extruder and bed, and increase infill. Also, use ironing for that polished top layer finish. 7. Stringing. Those wispy plastic hairs across your model are called stringing, usually caused by high temperature or bad retraction settings. Fix. Lower the nozzle temp, slow down a bit, and increase your retraction distance. Also, clean your nozzle and check Z-axis calibration for smoother movement. Over-extrusion and under-extrusion. Over-extrusion floods your print with too much filament, while under-extrusion starves it. Fix for over-extrusion. Lower your extruder temperature and extrusion multiplier. Fix for under-extrusion. Raise your temperature slightly and boost your extrusion multiplier. Always test small before big prints. 9. Banding. Banding creates wavy lines or ripples on your print surface. It's usually due to Z-axis wobble or material feed issues. Fix. Check your Z-axis for alignment, clear any nozzle blockage, and adjust the extrusion multiplier. 10. Cracks. Cracks often appear on tall prints or under stress. They start small but can ruin a part's strength. Fix. Use a larger nozzle, thicker layers, and reduce porosity. Fewer voids means fewer cracks and stronger parts. 11. Blobs. Those random bumps or blobs on your print surface, they're usually from poor retraction or inconsistent filament. Fix. Adjust retraction settings and always use high-quality filament with a consistent diameter. 12. Voids. Voids are small internal gaps that weaken prints. They often come from moisture or poor adhesion between layers. Dry your filament, raise the extruder temperature, and increase extrusion. For a pro finish, consider annealing or vapor smoothing. 13. Molecular cleavage. Overheating can actually break down filament molecules. That's called molecular cleavage. It leads to weak, inconsistent prints and even harmful fumes. Fix. Use premium filaments, avoid overheating, and don't leave filament sitting hot in the nozzle. 14. Clogged nozzle. If your printer suddenly stops extruding, you might have a clogged nozzle. Fix. Try a cold pull. Heat, extrude, cool slightly, then pull out the filament. If that doesn't work, clean with a 4mm needle or soak the nozzle in acetone for ABS. Use cleaning filament regularly and store your filament dry. 15. Ghosting or ringing. Those faint wave-like ripples along your print surface? That's ghosting caused by vibration or loose belts. Fix. Lower print speed, tighten belts, stabilize your printer frame, and adjust acceleration and jerk settings. 16. Supports falling apart. Supports collapsing mid-print can destroy complex models. Fix. Increase support density to around 20%, slow down support print speed, and use grid or tree supports for stability. Always level your bed and use adhesive for a strong foundation. And remember, every failed print teaches you don't give up. Master your printer, and soon you'll be creating pro-quality models. Check the description below for my full blog post on this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.